Thanks for dropping by. Welcome to the Overly Diversified Dividend Portfolio. Here's your classic disclaimer slide. Please take time to acknowledge this information. Invest at your own risk. Ticker symbol number 2. Today's pick, ticker symbol BTO.TO, trading at $4.84. Dividend info, 20 cents annualized payments per share. Payment of 4 cents quarterly per share. Share price started trading March 2008 at $1.67, currently trading at $4.84. Quick math, if you bought in 2008, if you put in $10,000 at $1.67, you would have had 5,988 shares. Today's value, if you held not including dividends, would be $28,981. Dividend info, dividend payment start date 2009, payment history increasing. Dividend info, 20 cents annualized payment per share, payment of 4 cents quarterly per share. Quick math section. If you invested $10,000 at $4.84, you'd have 2,066 shares times 0.4 cents. You'd end up with $82.64 quarterly of dividend payments. Company info, story from the company. B2 Gold is a low-cost national senior gold producer headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Founded in 2007, today B2 Gold has 3 operating gold mines and numerous developments and exploration projects in various countries. Today, multiple projects in the works around the world. Follow link for more info. What others are saying, fair value estimate plus $9 price range, trading 50% below estimate. Earnings grew by 60% over the past 5 years. Pays reliable dividend of 4.18%. Conclusion. Information shared here was sourced from financial documents available on the company's website, b2gold.com. Dividend data was sourced from dividendhistory.org. Share price information was sourced from Yahoo Finance. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks for dropping by. Do your own research and make sure that this stock is right for your portfolio.